Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ego is the enemy. How the ego can be a stumbling block on the path to success. Imagine your ego as the sneaky voice within you, constantly whispering, "You're the best," or "You're not good enough," steering you away from your true potential. The first step towards greatness is acknowledging that the ego can be both a friend and a foe. It's a friend when it pushes you to excel, to strive for more, to not settle for mediocrity. Yet, it swiftly turns into a foe when it blinds you from reality, when it makes you believe you're better than everyone else, or when it convinces you that you've already reached the pinnacle and there's no room for improvement. Consider this: the most successful people in the world didn't get there solely because of their talents or skills. They reached the peak because they knew how to keep their ego in check. They embraced humility, constantly seeking to learn, grow, and evolve. Think about how ego might hinder progress. It often blinds us to our weaknesses, making it impossible to learn from our mistakes. It prevents us from accepting feedback or guidance, creating a barrier to improvement. Moreover, it leads to complacency by convincing us that we've already made it, stunting our growth. To conquer the ego, practice self-awareness. Be mindful of your thoughts and actions. When you catch yourself feeling superior or inferior to others, pause and reassess. Embrace a growth mindset, be open to learning, stay curious, and accept that there's always something new to discover. Cultivate gratitude. Recognize the contributions of others to your success. No one accomplishes greatness alone. Appreciating the support, guidance, and opportunities given by others can humble the ego and keep it in check. Lastly, focus on the work, not the glory. Shift your attention from seeking validation and recognition to doing what you love with passion and dedication. When your focus is on the task at hand, rather than on how it makes you look, you'll find a deeper sense of fulfillment and purpose. Remember, ego isn't your enemy as long as you manage it. It's a continuous journey, battle that requires constant vigilance. Stay humble, stay hungry, and keep striving for growth. That's how you triumph over the enemy within and pave your way towards true success. Subscribe for more.